Hello friends, welcome to Sri Sai Maths. How are you all? I hope all are you are absolutely fine. So today's our new topic is statistics. Okay, so let us start our topic with statistics. What is meant by statistics? See, statistics means collection of a quantitative data. Okay, statistics means collection of quantitative data. So statistics are divided in three types. Okay, what are they? Mean, median and mode. Yes, do you know these formulas? What is meant by mean, median and mode? What is meant by mean? Arithmetic mean means sum of observations by number of observations, right? Arithmetic mean means sum of observations by number of observations. Median means what? Median means we have two formulas in that. For odd numbers means n plus 1 by 2, and for even numbers means n by 2 comma n by 2 plus 1, right? For mode, what most frequently occurring data value is known as mode. But now in 10th class we have some more formulas. See, these formulas are there for only ungrouped data. Ungrouped data means what? 2, 3, 10, 11 and etc. Group data means they are given in the tabular forms. Okay. See, now let us see formulas for group data. Okay. Now first one is arithmetic mean. For what arithmetic mean, there is a formula known as, for normal means sigma fi xi by sigma fi. This is known as direct method of mean. What is this? Direct method of mean. Direct method. Okay. So what is mean by fi here? Fi means what? Fi means frequency, and xi means what? Mid value. What is mean by sigma? What is this mean by sigma? It is same as E, right? But it is not E. Okay, don't confuse between sigma and E. Sigma means sum of. Okay, that means what? Sum of frequency into sum of mid values. Okay, this means sum of frequencies. Okay, have you understood this direct method of mean formula? We can write this sigma as also as summation. Summation means adding. Okay, by simply you can write as sum of. Okay, now normal method, you know, that means what? Sum of observations by number of observations. How can we write that? Sigma xi by n. N means number of data. Xi means mid values, that means given numbers. Okay, this is what? Normal method of ungrouped data. Okay, have you understood this direct mean? Now let us see assumed method of mean. What is meant by assumed method? Assumed method. Assumed method mean formula is mean is equals to x bar. We can write mean as x bar. Okay, a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. Okay, a means what? Assumed mean. Assumed mean. Okay, di means what? Xi minus a. What is meant by xi? See, mid value. Xi means mid value minus assumed mean. We will get di. So what is meant by xi? Xi means mid value. You know already what is meant by fi means frequency. Yes. Now let's move to another method of mean. Now the other method is step deviation method. This method is commonly and frequently asked in exams. So please remember it. So how can we write this? A plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. So what is meant by a here? A means assumed mean. Okay, h means what? H means height, and u means what? Ui means what? Means xi minus a by h. Ui means xi minus a by h. That means what? Mid value minus assumed mean by height. We will get ui value. Have you understood this? So let us discuss again. A means assumed mean, fi means frequency, h means height, ui means what? Xi minus a by h. That means mid value minus assumed mean by height. Okay. Let us move to median formulas. Okay. So now we will discuss about median of group data. What is median of group data? L plus n by 2 minus F by F into H. What is L? L means lower boundary. Okay? L means lower boundary. So N means, what is meant by N? N means total number of frequency. Okay? H means height, you know that. H means height. And what is meant by CF? CF means cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. Okay. Cumulative frequency of what? Of preceding the median class. Okay. How we get this cumulative frequency, those and all I will discuss in the next class. Now let us discuss about all the formulas. Okay. So what is meant by mode? Mode means most frequently occurring data value. What is meant by mode? Most frequently occurring data value. So what is mode formula? L plus f1 minus f0 by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. Have you understood this? See, L means what? Lower boundary. L means lower boundary. H means height. That means size or height. Okay. What is meant by F1? Frequency. Frequency of mode or modal class. Okay. F0 means frequency of preceding modal class. Okay. F2 means frequency of succeeding modal class. That means what? F0, F1, F2. Sorry, F2. F1 means what? Frequency of modal class. F0 means what? The F1 before 1 is known as F0 and the number which comes after F1 is known as F2. Have you understood? So what is in the F0? The number which comes before the frequency of modal class. F2 means the number which comes after the modal class is known as F2. Have you understood all this? So if you have liked the video, like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Please don't to share the video. Bye friends. Let's meet in next class.